Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make this origami bird. This will be the quick tutorial, so will not be the easiest to follow along with. But if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please click on the subscribe now so that you get the further updates. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is fold this in half, catty corner. And we will crease that down, and then we're going to fold this corner to corner again and crease that down. We're going to lift up one flap, fold that to the corner, crease that down, flip it over and do the same on this side. All right. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take this top flap here and then we're going to fold this down just past the bottom edge. And we will flip it over and do the same thing on this side. What I'll do is I will line up the two corners and crease that down. Now I'm going to pick it up on one side. I'm going to pull out this flap, push this down. We're going to do the reverse fold. Like so. We're going to do the same thing to the other side. Now we're going to work on the head. I'm going to take this part here. I'm going to bend this up. Anywhere along here, doesn't matter, it's pretty arbitrary. I'm going to open this, open the center, and then do a reverse fold on this. So we're going to push this up. Train the paper a little bit until we're here. Once we're here, we're going to take this first flap, then we're going to fold it up. We're going to do the same thing to both sides so that we can build the wings together. All right, at this point what we're going to do is right at this crease line here to just above the head, we're going to give this a diagonal fold. So right about there. And since we want the wings to be symmetrical or even, we're going to line up the other side. Just like that. Okay? Now what we're going to do is choose a wing. We're going to take this point here and fold it back to that crease. Right there, and then we will pinch that down. We're going to do the same thing to this side. But that lineup should also line up with the top of the wings here. We're going to open those. You can see our bird is starting to take shape. Now what we're going to do is from the head side up, this crease here, we're going to go right to the tip here. So I'm going to follow that down right to the tip. And crease that down. Then we are going to do the same thing to the other side, but just to make sure we're lined up, I'll put the two wings together. And then crease that down. Open this up. Now what we're going to do is this same point here where the wing or where the crease comes to the wing there, we need to put another crease right in the middle. So you're going to kind of go right in the middle and guide it back to that same point and crease that down. So all those creases line up to the front of the wing. Once you have that, let's do the same thing to the other wing. Crease that down. All right, at this point, what we're going to do is we're going to choose a wing. We're going to take that outer crease, the one that goes to the tip, and what we're going to do is we're going to fold a little diagonal. So I'm going to come out to about here, and then I'm going to fold it right about halfway up the wing. So I'm going to go like so. And then using these two fingers, I'm going to stop it from going any farther. And we'll crease that down just like that. Then I'm going to move to the next crease, and I'm going to do the same thing. Crease that down. And then I'm going to the next crease, which should be right about where the paper comes together. Going to do that crease. And go like so. Now we're going to go to the other wing. Do the same thing. Fold this down about halfway up. I want to make sure they're about the same. So if they're not, you make a little adjustment and then crease that down. Go to the next crease. Crease that down. Just like so. And then we will go to the last crease. And when they come out, you can just kind of recrease those. And at this point, we're going to stop with the wings. We'll come back to them. We're going to move on to the tail. So we'll lift the wings up. We're going to take this corner here. We're going to fold it along this crease line, right where the other piece of paper comes in. Give that a good crease. We're going to open this up, open the bottom, and then push this through. Then we will crease that down. Okay, then we unfold, and then I'm going to squeeze this down as we push down on the top, lining up the center with the center crease. And going all the way down, I will crease that down. I'm going to open this up, and then I'm going to take this and I'm going to fold it just past center, but also so it comes down to the top here. Give that a good crease. Then I'm going to fold it back just a little bit and then follow that crease all the way down. So it looks like something. Then we will do the same to the other side. Going to fold that back beyond the center crease, crease that down, hold it, fold it back. All the way up. Then we can reshape it. Okay, so it looks like that. It's got a little texture. Now back to the wings. So this inner piece of paper here, what we're going to do is we're going to fold this down and line that up at the top of the body and crease that. We're going to do the same to this side. Fold that down, crease that with the top of the body so that we can grab both and pull them down. You see how the wings come in? At the bottom, what we're going to do is we're going to take this paper, we're going to pinch it down. Pinch it down like that. That'll hold the wings back a little bit. And that is, and then you can just reshape as you see fit. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please click on the like and do subscribe, and I'll see you next time.